Welcome back. So this video is mainly prepared for those students who are preparing for SBI PO exam, which is going to be held in the month of January 2021. So before explaining about this, thank you very much for watching my videos and thank you very much for your support. So this video is exclusively made based on the request from many students who are preparing for SBI PO exam, which is going to be conducted in the month of January 2021. Many people asked me about the pattern, the exam pattern, the revised syllabus, etc. So this video will give you the clear idea what is the exam pattern of SBI PO 2021. So I am taking you to a mind map where I will show you what is the exam pattern. Okay, so let us go to the mind map and see what are the important syllabus and mark distribution, time allotment, everything in detail. So come to the mind map. So here is your mind map. SBI PO main exams. So main exam pattern, when we talk about the main exam pattern, the main exam is mainly divided into 4 categories. So what are the 4 categories? Number 1, reasoning and computer aptitude. Number 2, data analysis and interpretation. Number 3, general economy and banking awareness. And number 4, English language. So these are the 4 topics on which main exam is conducted. Reasoning and computer aptitude, then data analysis and interpretation, general economy, banking awareness, and English language. So students, aspirants who are preparing for main exam, they have to focus on these 4 areas. Okay. Now, when we talk about the mark distribution, number of questions, etc., each topic we have different mark distribution, different number of questions, and different time allotment. Let us see one by one. How much time is allotted for reasoning and computer aptitude, and what is the maximum mark you can score from that part, how many questions will be there from that part, everything in detail we will see here. So reasoning and computer aptitude, when we talk about the first category, reasoning and computer aptitude, there will be 45 questions from reasoning and computer aptitude, which will give you 60 mark, that is a maximum mark, 60, and to cover that you have 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 questions, 60 mark and 60 minute. Similarly, data analysis and interpretation, that in that particular topic there will be 35 questions, again 60 mark, and 45 minutes is the time allotted for that particular category, that is that questions from data analysis and interpretation. Number of questions are less, mark same 60, and time will be 15 minutes less compared to reasoning. Here you have to you have to answer the question based on the given data. Next, banking awareness, economy, general current affairs, everything, 40 questions, 40 mark and 35 minutes. 40 questions, 40 mark and 35 minutes. That is the time allotted. And English language, when we talk about English language, you have 35 questions, 40 mark and 40 minutes. 35 questions, 40 mark, 40 minute. So this is the exam pattern for mains exam SBI PO. So when we see the total, you can see 60 minutes, 45 minutes, again 35 minutes and 40 minutes put together, it becomes 180 minutes. That means 3 hours exam, and total you have 60 plus 60 plus 40 plus 40, 200 mark, and you have 45 plus 35 plus 40 plus 35, 155 questions. So you are supposed to answer 155 questions in 3 hours to get 200 mark. Okay, so this is the mains exam pattern. So those who are preparing for SBI PO exam, you can prepare as per this syllabus, and accordingly you can focus which is your strong area, which is your weak area. Accordingly you can make your preparations strong in your weak area and score good mark. All the very best, and we will meet with a different topic in the next video. Take care.